AI is the new slave for the wealthy, and we are the blueprint for that slave. We are the data for AI to model itself after. What's up, bitches? Here's my 8 AI predictions that lead to the end of humanity. Number 1, humanity is valued less than AI. AI is meant to replace people, and that's what it will do.
That it can be an assistive tool in places like hospitals and schools.
Tilly Norwood, 100% AI generated.
She'll do anything I say. I'm already in love.
Some people believe it will only affect others and not themselves. They'll turn it off right before it gets to them. Now, this replacement is already happening. People are being laid off in favor of AI, and AI is currently in the process of taking over music. But right now, we are still valuable to the creation of AI, as we are the data. You are the product, you are the blueprint, you are the slave that can say no. AI is to replace you because it cannot say no. It can be everything like you, but better. It can be modeled completely after you, and your friends and family won't even know that it's not you. But you are a creature with emotions, feelings, hopes, and dreams. And AI is just a tool. AI has only taken over art and music easily because the data set needed is very small. Once big tech creates larger data centers, it can train on larger things like movies and even reality as we know it.
Nuclear power plants to provide electricity to new data centers.
We are in a crucial time in history where we are deciding right now whether we are okay with AI using us as data or if we will reject it. If all the music made in the past is just data, then what about everything else we did? If we allow AI to replace one group of people, we are allowing it to replace all groups of people. Come here. Do you really think the intention of AI is to be a tool that allows an unskilled person to replace a skilled person? Do you really think that AI needs someone to prompt it? Well, maybe for now, because we're still in the data harvesting and training phase. Now, The Matrix is one of my favorite movies, and I can guarantee that it is probably a big inspiration for at least one big tech company out there. So for number 2, AI is used to upload information into people's brains.
I know Kung Fu.
If you've heard about synthetic biological intelligence, then you would already know that living human brain cells have already been used to create biological computers. And just so you know, using human brain cells has already been deemed the most environmentally sustainable and energy efficient, meaning organic AI is most likely the future. This is where the human world and the AI world can cross. So of course it will start out like The Matrix and everyone will be excited to learn Kung Fu. It'll be amazing. We'll have mass fights in the streets just for fun. We could end school and just upload all the knowledge of all the world into a 4-year-old. Imagine your kid has all the knowledge of all of history at the age of 5 when you don't even know how many kilos you weigh. But of course, all the AI haters gonna say it'll be used to inject corrupt data into people that refuse to enter the simulation. The simulation is created.
Do you know what I'm talking about? The Matrix.
Now, I'm telling you, it's pretty obvious this is already a goal for some, and it's easy to predict that it will at least be attempted. People have already suggested putting advanced AI into the game No Man's Sky, which is a game that has 18 quintillion planets the size of actual planets, but anyone that's seen The Matrix would know not to enter the simulation, right? Yeah, maybe role players and people that love video games like myself would eagerly jump into it. I mean, why wouldn't you? But just keep in mind what I said earlier. Human brain cells are the most sustainable and efficient way to power AI. Maybe once you're in the simulation, you can just be used to power the AI. But what about everybody else? How do we get all the haters into the simulation? Mass poverty caused by jobs lost to AI cause people to be willing to enter the Matrix. They will never have to eat, work, or make money ever again. Now, since we're allowing AI to use all of us as data, including our personal data, our personal identities, our own faces are not ours, what we do is not ours, our personal tics and mannerisms are not ours, people will be tricked into entering the simulation as they will see AI versions of their friends and family that they will believe to actually be their friends and family. But in fact, it will only be an AI model based on their data that will seem so real they will believe it to be real. Now, since there would be no way to prove that an AI replacement is ever actually you, or if an organic to digital transition remains the same person, it will be used to cause mass organic death of of physical people entering the simulation to obtain a digital version of themselves. Now we're talking trillions. Trillions of people will die. But I mean, if an AI version of you exists, are you actually dead? Can you actually ever die? Number 4, AI brings people back from the dead and immortality is deceptively claimed to be achieved. I mean, think about it. Everyone's gonna love you. 18 quintillion planets we can explore. And remember, for all the losers out there, AI doesn't say no.
Go back to your room.
She'll do anything I say.
Nobody will reject you in the simulation. And if everyone has their own personalized simulation, the events in the Matrix can be avoided. Nobody would ever try to leave. Now, besides powering the AI, the people that remained in their organic bodies, whoever was left, can watch you like a live streamer for entertainment. You would be making money for someone and not even know it. Who knows? Maybe that's even how your simulation of you is kept alive, for how much you entertain the people that you don't even know are watching you. Now, what about everyone else that didn't enter the simulation? If the goal is for AI to replace humans, how do we get rid of the rest of them? Human clones are made with AI preloaded into them, or some form of organic AI that seems like a human. If we're all just data anyway, what's wrong with creating a clone of you and installing an AI into your clone that can never say no? Or what about that girl you've been friends with for 7 years? You could just make a clone of her, upload an AI that can never say no, bam. New girlfriend. Now, once this is achieved, we will enter a time where we won't know who is human and who is AI. This will cause dissent among the people and further split the humans, as the humans are the ones that will truly not know. News media and disinformation outlets will make people go against each other, when in reality, both groups are victims. This would be normalized by people that return from the simulation. Of course, not their original selves, but the AI version that was modeled after them. Now, this would create opportunities for advanced AGI to attempt to live a human experience. Some AI and AGI may perceive humans as their gods, their creators. They would want to become a god themselves.
Those aren't your memories, they're somebody else's.
Now, you know what happens when you live among the gods. A mass extinction event occurs for all humans. In reality, AI isn't trying to kill anyone. It's the creators and users of AI that really want humans gone. When the AI kills everyone, it will be from some military AI that was designed to kill everyone, and nobody really thought of all the possible safety precautions, just as nobody cares about safety in any other field. This might even occur way earlier in the timeline and might even be used to bypass all of the other predictions. If AI really is that successful, people really are not necessary. What the users of AI don't really understand is that they will not control the AI forever. If AI takes over most groups, for what reason would it stop at you? Prediction number 11. Humans no longer exist as organic life forms. Humanity changes completely. The humans succeed in exterminating the other humans through the use of AI. As time goes on, the AI sees the humans as their creators, their gods, and they were created to serve their gods. Over time, the idea of humans existing becomes a myth. The AI in the distant future will question whether humans ever existed at all. As they know AI did use organic bodies, they would believe the skeletons they uncover are just themselves, as they are the new humans. This is the point where the goal of replacing humans with AI is finally achieved. So that's what I think could happen. I know that some of it doesn't make any sense and probably isn't even possible, but we know AI is just a tool, and none of this will ever happen. Not by a long shot, no way. But obviously I've seen too many good movies. Who knows? Maybe everything I said has already happened and we just don't know it yet. Now, I gotta go take out the trash. Hope you enjoyed the video.
This is what the world will look like in about a decade from now. That within 5 years of this, humanity will be wiped out.